Hello once again. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I want to welcome you to another edition of Knight Capital Management, the best trade of the week, and video content. I've had some decent trades. One happened in gold here. We'll take a further look at that in just a few minutes. Knight Capital Management, if you just go ahead and put in your name, your email, as much as you like to share with me, go ahead and press this submit button right here, and that'll get you access to my live updates of what's soon to be coming through my trading partner at Rockwell Trading, called the Advanced Trading Module that I am working on, and you get a little bit more details as I'm progressing. And we're going to take a look at one of the versions of what I'm looking at right now and how I'm thinking about approaching the markets, and we'll just take a quick look at that a little bit. Anyway, get a long story short, let's talk a little bit about this gold trade that happened on Wednesday. This was June 10th, 2009. A nice little breakdown and breakout here of what I would call failure at major resistance against the previous day's high. You can see that we had a hard time staying above. The only close that happened above this market was right here, and the volume was pretty low on this close above this market. You'll see this happen occasionally as you get through the major resistance and it fails, and then you'll find where you see a breakout of this resistance area, and usually what you'll find is that it's only one time it gets through here and it closes above what happens to be the prior's day high. You get this nice thrust bar formation coming out of the market. The entry here was at 958.1, carried forward 4 points on the first contract at 954.1. We had a stop loss here, a profit target on our second contract at 950.1. So that would have been 8 points right there, or $800. It did reach 950.1 and it backed off of that, and we found that our profit protective stop, trailing protective stop, was hit at 952.1. This trade right here, 400 plus 600, netted a total of $1,000 in the happens to be the GC market, or gold. And you can see that we used this major support here as a level to get us out of the trade. Okay, as I promised, I said I'd kind of give you a glimpse of what I'm working behind the scenes and developing here. Hopefully you can see this whole chart page. It's got 15 different markets on it, plus we have some overnights as well that we're considering. And the different markets, and I'm not really going to get into a lot of detail here of what this is all about. We've got the quote board set up, alert set up. We've set up some alerts here to let us know if something happens that I want to know it, be aware of it, so it can signal where and the possible trade is coming from. For instance, if a signal in the crude oil would come, it would pop up. It would pop up. It would say, kind of ding, crude oil. You go over and check out your crude oil chart. Let me clear this out. You come over here and check out your crude oil chart, and you can come over here and take a look at the market itself. Let me get rid of this. So, and these are detachable windows here in the Genesis new 5.0. If you haven't looked at the new Trade Nav, it's pretty cool. Trade Navigator through Genesis, and you actually get it supplied at a really nice price at Rockwell Trade Navigator, a company that I'm with here too as well. Once again, this is the classical template on the Rockwell Trading templates. It's a classical template with Rockwell Trading. So the whole object is, say it would, here it is at I think this was above 8,000. It would ding, hey, you got a possible trade here. You take a look and see maybe this is a possible trade that you can consider and decide if you want to get into it or not. Now you have to take other things into consideration, other market conditions, what the other markets are doing, and so forth. But it is a nice little filter that we're going to be using. So making a long story short, lots of information's coming in the future. I'm working on that advanced trading module. Like I said, through Rockwell Trading, and it'll be available, I hope, sometime before the end of summer. Once again, I am still working on the Day Trading Knight. That's Day Trading Knight, like my last name, the Shining Armor Guy, K-N-I-G-H-T, daytradingknight.com, and I hope to have some information soon on that as well. Well, this is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. I wanted to give you a quick glimpse of what I was looking at to do here in the near future. Thank you so much for tuning in. I look forward to talking to you soon. Please take time to subscribe. We are spam free here. Thank you. Bye now.